This is how to use the circular pattern tool. Click it in the Create menu. As the object, click the cylinder you made with the Extrude tool. As the axis, select the blue one. This one is the most used. Now choose the amount of cylinders you want. That's how to use circular pattern. This is how to use the rectangular pattern tool. Click it in the Create menu. As the object, click the cylinder. As the axis, click the green line. It is the most used. Then choose the quantity and drag the arrows in each direction. Experiment a little bit, then click OK. Now you know how to use the mirror tool. This is how to use the pattern on path tool. Create a sketch on the bottom plane. Go to the Create menu and click Ellipse, then click the big dot and draw the height of the ellipse by moving your mouse. Then define the width with your mouse. Then click OK. Click Pattern on Path. As the object, select the cylinder. As the path, select the ellipse, then drag the arrow, choose the quantity and click OK. That's how to use the pattern on path tool.